How to fix Ticketmaster unable to complete request in this device. In order for you to fix this issue, the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Ticketmaster. Once you're in the home page, try to close the application or the tab and then reopen it. It will refresh your page. Refreshing the page might also fix the issue. If not, head over to your App Store and search for Ticketmaster app. Now move into this app. Right here instead of open, if you see the option of update, then your application is not up to date and it might be the reason that you're facing this issue. If that's the case, simply click on update and update the app. Once you've got the updated version, the next thing you want to do is move into settings. Head over to general and then move into iPhone storage. In this page, search for the application Ticketmaster and then move into it. Now click on offload app and then once again click on offload app. It will clear the cache and the storage of the application. It will also remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. This might also fix the issue that you have been facing and then you'll be good to go. So that's the wrap for this video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.